Okay, the next step is adding manure and fertilizers. Why we had to add manure and fertilizers to the crops? That is important. Especially generally the farmers are cultivating every year. They are continuously cultivating various types of crops. In that land, wherever he cultivated, wherever the farmers are cultivating, in that crop, whatever nutrients is there in that crop, in that soil, all nutrients, whatever nutrients, everything is utilizing for growth, increase the growth rate of the plant, for more production maybe. So that what will be happen after few years, whatever soil is there, in that soil, whatever nutrients is there, everything is finished. Why? He is continuously, the farmers, whoever farmer is there, he is continuously cultivating various types of crops. So that what will happen, whatever soil is there, that soil, whatever nutrients is there, everything is finished. The nutrients, whatever nutrients is there, everything is finished. So that we had to add some manure and fertilizers. Why we had to add manure and fertilizer? These manure and fertilizers are useful to replenish, again increase the nutrients in soil. So that these, why we are adding manure and fertilizers? These manure and fertilizers are useful for replenish the soil, replenish the soil nutrients, so that we are adding what? Manures and fertilizers. Okay, here the word given, what? Manures and fertilizers. The word given here, manure. What is the meaning of manure? Manure. These manures are the organic substances. Manure is the organic substances that contain what? Carbon. Organic substances obtained from, how we are preparing manure? Generally, in villages we are observed what? Whatever waste material, cow dung, cattle, goat, sheep, whatever is there, everything, whatever waste material, they are dumping in one place. And whatever waste products of residues of plants, plant twigs, leaves, fallen leaves, everything dumping in one place. After few days, wherever we dump, that is what it is changed. It is mixed, the nutrients are mixed. Whatever we are dumping in that, all are mixing and starts from decomposing. That decomposed material we can call manure. The manure is made up of man. In Cuba country is there. In Cuba country only, they are using what? Manure only for cultivation of crops. They are not using chemical fertilizers. They are using whatever made up of man, composed, vermicomposed, or what? Decomposed material, dung, man-made things they are using for cultivation. But in India, they are using lot of chemical fertilizers. Now we are going to discuss about the differences of what chemical fertilizers and fertilizers. Before going to discuss about the differences between chemical fertilizers and manure, first of all, what is manure? Manure is a man-made substance. Manure is a substance which is made up of man. It is a decomposed material, obtained from the decomposition of plant and animals waste. What is fertilizers? Fertilizers is the chemicals. Fertilizers are nothing. Fertilizers are chemicals which are made up of in factories, not man-made, artificial. These are made up of at factories. The factories, these are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and whatever inorganic salts, Fertilizers are nothing but inorganic salts. These are chemicals. These chemicals are obtained from factories. That is what they are using some inorganic salts like what? Bicarbonates, carbonates. Okay, fertilizers are the chemical like what? Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and urea, and what? Ammonium phosphate, potash, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. These are the examples of what? Fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemicals which are adding to cultivation of crops. Okay, that is what manure is. Manure is organic substances which are made up of man, which are obtained from decomposition of plants and animals. Which are plants and animals? Decomposition of plants and animals. That is manure. Already I am given example. In villages there are dumping waste material, cow dung, buffalo dung, whatever dung and waste materials of what? Plants, everything gathered in one place. And also after few days it starts from decomposition. Whatever decomposed material they are using for fertilizers, that is manure. But fertilizers are made up of in factories. They are using fertilizers means chemicals. That chemical directly they are using in crops, in cultivation of crops. Okay, that is the major difference of what, especially for what manure and fertilizer. Now we have to discuss about few major differences between fertilizers and what, especially for manure. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the differences between fertilizers and what, manure. Here, if you observe what fertilizers are inorganic substances. Inorganic, in that there is no carbon and hydrogen bond. Already you learned in chemistry, that is inorganic substances. Organic means what? In that having what? Hydrogen and carbon bond. Here no, these are the chemicals. Fertilizers, especially for chemicals, these are what? Inorganic substances. What we call inorganic substances, especially inorganic salts, fertilizers. Manure is a natural substances. Already these are natural substances. Decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues, twigs, small leaves and everything. That is decomposition material. That is what? Manure. And prepared in factories. Fertilizers are prepared in factories, industries or factories. Okay, prepared in the fields, in agriculture fields, nearby agriculture fields. In agriculture field they are prepared manures. Okay, and the fertilizers does not provide any humus. Okay, fertilizer does not provide any humus. Humus means what? Increase the fertility. It is directly useful to the plants, but it is not increase the humus, especially for, that means decomposed material in soil, which is the decomposed moist material. That is a highly what? Nutrients. It does not provide any humus in the soil, decomposed material. And manure provides lot of humus, decomposed material, okay, in the soil. That is the major difference of what? Fertilizers and manure. And fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients in the plant. Why? Because already it is made up of in factories. It's made in factory, so that highly rich nutrients, highly rich what? Plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Here very less nutrients. Why? Because it is a natural substances. So that much of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium is not there in what? Manures. These are the differences between what? Especially for fertilizers and manures. Okay, fertilizers and manures are inorganic salts like bicarbonate, calcium carbonates, and okay, some chlorides. Okay, these are inorganic substances means what? Which is not carbon hydrogen bonds. And these are organic substances, natural substances. Manure are made up of man, and also decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues, that is we can call what? Manure. And prepared in factories, prepared in agriculture fields. And fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides lot of humus to the soil. And fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. And manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the advantages of manure. Why we had to add manures only to the crops. If you use more fertilizers to the crops, for example, every year continuously we are cultivating different crops. For that crops we are using only fertilizer, we are only chemicals. What happens after 14 years? After 14 years, that field, that agriculture field is not useful for anything. That means whatever nutrients is there in that soil is useless after 14 years. That soil is not suitable for anything after 14 years. So that if you use more chemical fertilizer after 14 years, that soil is not suitable for cultivating any crops. So that we have to use manure. What are the advantages of manure compared with what fertilizers? The manure, especially for it enhances water holding capacity. It increases the water holding capacity. It keeps the water in soil. Okay, so that water holding capacity is increasing, enhances the water holding capacity in the soil. And second point, it makes the porous holes in soil. It makes the holes are porous, due to which exchange of gases. Easily gas goes easily into the soil. Humus. So that what, especially gas is whatever the porous, it is increase the porous of the soil. So that gas goes easily into the soil. Become easy exchange of gases. So that second point, it makes the porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. And it increases the number of friendly microbes. What is friendly microbes? Which are called friendly microbes? For example, so many bacteria are useful to us. Increase the soil fertility, nitrogenous, so many bacteria. Okay, so that the increase the number of friendly microbes also. Why? Because we are adding decomposing material, so that microbes are easily growing. Okay. And also what, it improves the texture. What is the meaning of texture? Texture means what? Color of the soil also. So that it is what, highly replenished, what, with humus. So that the texture also increases. Which are which are do not have what, highly nutrients. That means if you use more fertilizer, that means after few years it is colorless. Okay, so that it improves the textures of the soil also. These are the advantages of manure. Okay.